again, 4th grade oceanographers. It is Mrs. Drum here today, and today we are going to take a look at Lesson 3, which involves ocean movement. Be sure to turn to page 6 in your notes packet. Anything that you will need to write down in your notes is going to be underlined and in the color yellow. Let's get started. If you've ever seen the ocean, then you know that it is not stationary, which means that it's moving all the time. The ocean actually moves in 3 different ways: currents, tides, and waves. Huge streams of water that move in circles are called ocean currents. Ocean currents are also known as rivers within an ocean. Some currents move along the ocean's surface. They are known as the northern and southern currents. They are either warm or cold currents. Wind and the Earth's rotation affect the direction in which surface currents flow. Currents that flow beneath the surface of the ocean are known as vertical currents. Vertical currents move by flowing from the surface to the ocean bottom and back to the surface again. Water temperature and the amount of salt in the water affect vertical currents. The rise and fall of the water along the ocean shore is known as a tide. Tides occur 4 times each day: 2 high tides and 2 low tides. The gravitational pull between the Earth, Moon, and Sun causes high tides and low tides. The up and down movement of the ocean caused by the wind are called waves. A wave's size depends on wind speed, wind duration, which is the length of time, and the area over which the wind is blowing. Isn't that fascinating? Well, that concludes today's lesson on oceans. Be sure to put your notes packet away and pay attention to the Smartboard where it has the list of must-dos and can-dos. I'll see you next time.